something. I am rushing my locks to form. I don't like them sticking at the root. I want to feel my scalp. Maybe I'm not a freeform girl anymore. I am spraying my aloe vera lock spray that has a little oil in it, trying to give my hair some moisture. And the banding, it locks the moisture in for me, elongates the lock, and keeps those stray hairs from marrying to the other locks. I cannot stand that. So I am banding. I am greasing my scalp so my hair doesn't feel so dry. Living here in this dry state, I notice the difference from Georgia's moisture in the air at all times. My hair needs extra moisture here, period. I haven't been rinsing my hair daily as I normally would because this water here is hard water. I don't like how it makes my hair feel. Super duper dry. Maybe also combined with the air here, I can't rinse my hair every day. I'm just spraying it down with aloe vera spray to give it some movement and banding today. I just started the banding because, like I said, I'm going through something and I just want it neat and flowing the way I want it. These loose hairs to stick onto the lock I am banding it with. That's my hope, that it will all come back together and form fast. Forcing locks together because it seems like they want to stay small, so I've been joining them together and banding. Yes, I'm cheating. Just doing what I want to do with my hair.